Welcome to our video exploring an intriguing question. What if carbon dioxide is not the real problem when it comes to climate change? While carbon dioxide has been at the forefront of environmental discussions, this video aims to reframe the narrative by examining the significant roles of other factors, such as methane emissions, deforestation, and the health of our oceans. We will also delve into the impact of technological innovations and policy decisions on our climate response. Join us as we broaden our perspective and uncover the multifaceted nature of the climate crisis. 1. Reframing the climate change narrative. When we think about climate change, carbon dioxide, CO, is usually at the forefront of our minds. It's often labeled as the main villain in the story of global warming. But what if carbon dioxide is not the real problem? This question might sound controversial, but it's worth exploring. The climate system is incredibly complex, and focusing solely on carbon dioxide could mean we're missing other crucial factors. By broadening our understanding, we might discover alternative solutions to mitigate climate change. 2. The role of methane and other greenhouse gases. While carbon dioxide gets a lot of attention, it's not the only greenhouse gas contributing to climate change. Methane, for example, is over 25 times more effective than carbon dioxide at trapping heat in the atmosphere over a 100-year period. Methane is emitted from a variety of sources, including agriculture, landfills, and natural gas production. Nitrous oxide and fluorinated gases also play significant roles. By focusing solely on carbon dioxide, we risk underestimating the impact of these other gases. It's like having a leaky boat and only plugging the most obvious hole while ignoring several smaller ones that are just as damaging. 3. Deforestation. The silent culprit. Deforestation is another critical issue that often gets overshadowed by carbon dioxide discussions. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, acting as natural carbon sinks. When forests are cut down, not only do we lose these natural absorbers, but the carbon stored in trees is also released back into the atmosphere. This dual impact exacerbates climate change. According to the World Wildlife Fund, we lose about 18.7 million acres of forests annually, equivalent to 27 soccer fields every minute. This massive loss contributes significantly to the carbon imbalance. 4. The role of oceanic health. Our oceans are another vital but underappreciated part of the climate equation. They absorb about 30% of the carbon dioxide emitted by human activities, helping to mitigate climate change. However, this absorption is not without consequences. Increased carbon dioxide levels lead to ocean acidification, damaging marine life and ecosystems. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are particularly vulnerable. Protecting our oceans is crucial, not just for marine biodiversity but for the overall health of our planet. 5. Technological innovations in renewable energy. While reducing carbon dioxide emissions is essential, focusing on technological innovations can offer more comprehensive solutions. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. Moreover, technological advancements in carbon capture and storage could help us manage existing carbon dioxide levels more effectively. It's like upgrading from a gasoline car to an electric vehicle. The change might seem small at first, but it can have a substantial impact over time. 6. Economic and policy considerations. Addressing climate change isn't just about science, it's also about economics and policy. Governments and organizations need to consider the economic impacts of climate policies. For instance, carbon taxes may not be the only or best solution. Incentives for green technology and sustainable practices could offer more effective alternatives. Policymakers must be willing to look beyond carbon dioxide and consider a broader range of factors in their decision-making processes. This holistic approach could lead to more balanced and effective climate strategies. 7. Public awareness and education. One of the most potent tools in combating climate change is public awareness. By educating people about the broader range of environmental issues, we can foster a more inclusive dialogue. Schools, media, and community programs can play essential roles in spreading this knowledge. When people understand that climate change is multifaceted, they're more likely to support comprehensive solutions. It's like teaching someone to cook a full meal rather than just baking a cake. The more skills they have, the better prepared they are to tackle complex challenges. 8. Conclusion. Broadening our perspective. In conclusion, while carbon dioxide is undoubtedly a significant factor in climate change, it's not the only one. By broadening our perspective, we can address other equally important issues such as methane emissions, deforestation, and ocean health. Technological innovations and policy changes can provide additional solutions, while public education can empower individuals to make informed choices. By looking beyond CO, we open the door to a more comprehensive and effective approach to tackling climate change.